In this video, I'll show you how to connect your PC Windows computer to your Canon MAXIFY MB2720 printer. I'll show you how to connect, how to print, and also how to get the scan results from here to here using the Wi-Fi. So let's get started right away. The first step is to connect your Canon printer to your Wi-Fi network. So to do this, press the home button once. Then you're going to swipe right and select LAN settings. Then select wireless LAN setup. Select standard setup, which is the second option. You need to swipe up and down to select your Wi-Fi network. Once you have found it, click on it. Click in the middle of the screen. Input the password of your Wi-Fi network. If you have symbols, click on the lower left side to switch the keyboard. Then click OK. Click OK once again. Wait for the printer to connect to your Wi-Fi. Press OK. Now let's go on your PC computer. All you have to do now is to go and click on the Windows logo. Maybe yours is on this corner. Click on Settings. On the left side, click on Bluetooth and Devices. And then on the right side, you're going to click on Printers and Scanners. From here, you're going to select Add Device. Wait a few seconds, and you should see your Canon printer appearing on the screen. Mine is over here, MB2700 series. Click on Add Device and wait. It's now connecting with your printer. It will install any drivers that it needs to be installed. You don't have to click anything at this point. And at the end, you're going to have ready. This means that both of them are connected, okay? Ready for the fax, but also for the printer itself. Now let me show you how to print and scan. If you want to print any file from your PC, open the file. Click on the print logo. Select your printer from the list. And now select how many copies you want. You also have other options. And at the end, press the print button. Usually in just a few seconds, the print should be sent and printed by your Canon printer. Perfect. Now let me show you how to use the scanners of this printer. There's two different scanners. So there's one that is a flatbed. This is a pretty typical scanner, and an automatic document feeder in case you want to scan multiple pages. I'll show you how both of these are working. Let's start by the flatbed. So over here, place your document you wish to scan facing down with the top part of the document towards the left side. Then we need to align the top left corner with the top left corner of the scanner. So just push until both corners are aligned. All right, close the lid. On the PC itself, you need to go down in the search bar and type scanner. So I'll click here and type scanner or scan. The scan app should come by default with your computer, but if you don't have it, go on the Windows Microsoft Store and download it. It's free, it's made by Microsoft, and it's pretty useful. So once you click on scan, it will open. On the left side, make sure you select your Canon printer. Under source, click on flatbed if this is where you have put it. File type, change to a file type you would like to save. Click show more and you'll be able to change the resolution of your scan. 150 is by default, but you can change that. And where the file will go. Once you're ready, click scan. Once this is done, you're going to get a confirmation over here that it has been saved. You can press the view button to view whatever file you have scanned. It will open. Here we go. Excellent. Now, if you want to use the top document feeder instead, this is if you have multiple pages. So let's say I have these two pages I want to scan. Well, simply align them, place them facing up with the top part towards the left, glide them over here until it beeps. And now on your PC, the only difference, do the same thing, but instead of flatbed under source, select feeder. Press the scan button. And when you do this, you see the printer will take one by one each sheet of paper without you having to touch anything. And the same way, you're going to get a confirmation message on your PC. Here we go. And it will be saved. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.